Welcome back to my channel. So this is my first Kaido house mini GT. Today I'm gonna unbox it and show you why Kaido house mini GT are expensive, but they also look pretty good. Or what should I say? This is just my experience, whatever it is. Stay till the end, find out how it looks, what are the goods and what are the bads. Let's start unboxing. Let's start with the box. This has more character than the mini GT box. You can see that right here. Look at this. This is the front, this is the side. It says kaidohouse.com with the social media handles of Kaido House. That is nice, zero badging. So here we see the continuation of the front, metal body and chassis, alloy wheels, opening hood, Kaido House mini GT badging. Designed in Los Angeles by Junimai, Kaido House LLC. This says 90 here on the box and it says Kaido House. Wow, here we have this amazing car right here. So it says includes 2 detachable surfboards. This is the number 149. The car name is Datsun 510 4x4 Wagon Kaido Off-Road version 2. So let's find out if I have scored a chase or not. I'm super pumped. Okay, so this is the back, the base of this box. This is all the mumbo jumbo Nissan official product, and what it is. So let's open it up. I have to say that this unboxing is much better because see, look at that. Wow, how it reveals the whole car or the inside box. It says Kaido Off-Road. Look at that off-road design. Nice. This is kind of like iPhone unboxing. I love this. So what do you see at the top is this. This is what you see on the top. You can see the car, but there is a blister here, and this is the overall of the inside box. Let's take the blister off. This is the blister off. Now we can see the car. I have to take it out very slowly. Oh, that was pretty simple and cool looking. Look at this beast. Wow. So the surfboards are inside. You have to take them out. Okay, this blister is out. So you have 2 tiny cute little surfboards. Wow, that says Kaido House. Nice. Yeah. Let's try to attach these on the top. It is a pretty tricky job because the slots are very small and whatever it is. Okay, I hope that is attached firmly. Okay, so not very firm on this one, but yeah, look at this monster. Let me zoom in. Wow, now we are able to see this. I think I've made a pretty solid choice grabbing this one. That is nice. So it does have an opening part. So let's do a quick roll test first. Wow, this has to be one of the smoothest rolling premium cars that I own in my collection, and this is what happens when you try to push it too hard. Okay, so you have this nice purple paint job going on, similar to Spectra Flame paint, and you have this Kaido Off-Road livery on this one. It says Nismo, and what does it say here? 0 Nismo Kaido House. You have a roll cage in pink inside, not for the driver though, for the rear passengers. Nice interior details, you can see that. Coming to the back, you have amazing amount of details. You have acrylic tail lamps, the Datsun badging, Kaido House on the license plate. Right on top of that, you can see the Nismo badging. You have the Kaido off-road badging on the back glass. You have nice exhaust details. You can see that 90 badging that we just saw right here. Nice. You have the wide wheel arches. That looks amazing and gives it a off-road feel. And the wheels on this one are so good. They have done a brilliant choice of wheels on this one, and they have threads on them. Coming to the front, again we have awesome level of details. We have the rear view mirrors finished in grey color. We have the Nismo badging, and on the hood we can see this number 90 on the hood. Kaido House, and it says Nissan right here. So now I think we have to pop open the hood, and I have to do it with this. Oh, it is very firm. Wow. Okay. Oh, the amount of details on this is pretty sick. Let me get the light closer to this one. So look at that. That is brilliant. It says Nismo and Nissan on the engine as well. So that is pretty crazy, and it looks super awesome when the hood is popped open. Look at that. Definitely a great addition to my collection. And look at that. It looks so stunning. I'm in love with this car. Like, seriously. I love the paint job. It is so cool. Very nice. My first Kaido house, and it has rocked the house. Seriously. This looks amazing, man. This looks so amazing. I will give you a top view right now. This is how it looks right now. Really, really cool. And as you can see here, it is killing it. This is very nice. So if I haven't already shown you the base is in this chameleon color that is standard across most of these Kaido house models. You can see good amount of chassis details and the exhaust details right here, and the surfboard comes off, but this is nice. Really, really nice. I am in love with this casting. I don't think there could have been any other car to start off my collection with such a bang. I was thinking about the R34 Kaido house in silver color, not in pink. The pink one, it is overhyped, I feel. You know what? I always do the things that are out of the box. So sometimes I don't even know where the box is. So yeah, that's why this is the Datsun 510 4x4 Wagon right in front of you on your screen in this glorious purple color. Awesome. This is sick. This is really, really awesome car. And look at the way it closes. It doesn't make a lot of sound, but it closes very nicely. Look at that. The way it just closes down and aligns with the rest of the car, the body and all, it is oddly satisfying. Really, really satisfying. So that's it from this amazing Kaido house off-road Datsun 510 4x4. Let me know what do you think about this car. Do share this video with your friends and fellow collectors. If you are looking to buy one, I think you are very lucky to have found this video and to watch this. This is definitely recommended. Until next time, do take very good care of yourself. Happy life, happy collecting, stay driven, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Yeah, until I get a rotating display, I will have to do this.